This is my first YouTube video. My name is Steve. Today I'm going to teach my son how to make herbal cough syrup from oregano. I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do it, how we're going to make it. That's my son Kenneth. Introduce yourself.
Hello.
Okay, we will go. My son will go cut the plant. You guys can go plant.
You will teach me.
Yes, I'm going to teach him on that. Here we go in. We will go to this one. This is the oregano plant. Let's see what piece we do. Cut piece like this one. Nice one piece. Like that. We have two pieces. You can go back. Over here we're gonna take it off, cut the plants off, the leaves, like that here, put it inside here. I already cut some extra before we start the video, and we're gonna wash it. This one you can go plant again outside, and you can have more.
How do you plant this outside?
You just stick it in the ground, like that. You stick it in the ground. We will one day make a video how to plant oregano. I'm gonna let Kenneth wash it. Kenneth, you can wash it.
How should I wash it? Which way?
Wash all the leaves, nice clean, all the dirt. I don't need to wash everything again because we already washed a lot of it, only the ones we cut now. We already washed before to save some time. Just throw the rest in here already. Just like that, throw it inside that one. Then we're gonna go over to the juicer. You must buy a nice juicer. And very easy to make. You just push the leaves inside here like this. So it's a little bit full, not too much. Put it on. And then put some more. Like this. Very easy to make. Throw the other side, throw the waste things out, like that. This one you can throw on your outside in your plants again, like compost. You can use it like compost. This is the one that do the secret, the magic. That's the one you drink when you cough. You don't need antibiotic.
It looks like algae.
Looks like algae. Yes, it is maybe algae. Very strong smell, taste. Not nice, but how did the old people say? The old things, the things that don't taste nice is always the best. We're gonna make a lot today so that we can have some in the fridge. Kenneth, you can go on to make fast. Let me put this one back. This one is not the oregano, it's leaf. That's some other leaf. This is our first video. We are not that professionals, but we will get there one day. Okay, go. No wastage. Then alright, after that maybe we can clean the blade. Okay. Easy to make your own syrup from home.
Okay.
Now let's open there.
On the cuts it.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Cool. Okay, let's take all that out. Don't put it just separately. You can also use it for compost later on. Yeah, wow, we are going, what do you call it, green feet. What do you call those people? Tree lovers. Triagers. I don't know about the triaging, but are you a triager, Kenneth?
I don't know what that is.
Did you hack a tree before? Then you're a triager. You hack a tree, you say, hey! Yeah. Almost finished, two to go. Oh, this is so nice. Your kids must do this more, man. This is the life. The green peace lovers. What do you call those people? What? What do you call those green peace people? Green peace lovers? What do you call it? You must talk, Box. Come on, camera. You're done. Okay. Check. Wow. There's a lot. Okay, where's the cup, Box? We're gonna drink.
Use the
Where's the
teaspoon.
cup, Box?
Use the teaspoon.
No, not teaspoon. I want that other cup. Okay, we got like your grandmother used to do.
So we can put in the shoot.
Now get the big one, the
Tablespoon.
tablespoon.
Because you're already adult.
Because we are big guys, we need big tablespoons.
Okay.
Like this, Moxie. Ah, very bitter. What is it? Bitter in English?
Bitter.
Bitter. Up and out.
Also,
That's one Kenneth have cough
Right
already.
now I'll look for that other cup.
And then how do you store it, Skateball?
Hmm?
How do you store the remaining cough syrup?
Where is that medicine cup?
Okay. So what will you do with the remaining cough? I mean the syrup?
The remaining we're gonna store in a bottle like this in the fridge.
Uh-huh.
Then we can use it again.
Uh-huh. At least you have a ready syrup.
Oh, there's that green one. Yeah, there's no.
If we can.
You can do that. I know you.
The other side can, I can click there. Okay, that's all.
But I need more.
So it's ready.
Cool. There we.
There's a lot there.
We can make more.
There's a lot.
But
There's a lot there.
yes, there's a lot. I must
Okay.
give you more.
Yeah.
Cool.
I think 3 teaspoons.
Okay, that's how to make herbal cough syrup from oregano. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks guys, have a nice day.